I'd like to walk you through the Commodore Workspace overview. Think of the Workspace overview as a dashboard where application owners and developers can come and see only the things that they care about. I can see things like what my application availability has been trending like over the last 2 weeks. I can quickly see my cost optimization score, as well as understand what steps I can take to drive better resource utilization for my application. And I get a myriad of insights that help me understand things that I can do to improve the overall availability of my application. This dashboard also provides an easy place for me to come and get access to our events timeline. Think of the events timeline as the first pane of glass where experts and non-experts alike can come and quickly see everything contextualized around the issue that's going on. I can see things like a failed deploy that happened and which particular PR that got approved with inside of my source control management. I can also see other alerts from integrated services like, say, PagerDuty, or in my environment, I have Datadog. The events timeline is the place where our customers come to significantly reduce their overall MTTR, in some cases by as much as 64%. This is also where I can come to launch Commodore's Troubleshooting Wizard, an advanced tool that helps non-experts and developers quickly understand whether an issue is application related or something to do with the underlying Kubernetes platform that requires them to escalate to the platform owners. Before I even launch the wizard, I can see that there was a deploy that happened 20 seconds before this issue was detected. I can also see that there are 3 suspicious log lines that I may want to take a look at, and then I've got 3 other services dependent on mine that are being affected by the fact that my service is unavailable. I also have the option to roll back the problem to the last known good configuration if this is an emergency situation and I need to quickly get my application back online. Let's take a look at the investigation wizard and walk through the steps to understand if the problem is related to my application or the underlying service. Here, I have my dependency mapper where I can quickly understand visually is there maybe something that's platform related that's causing a problem as opposed to something that's application related with the service itself. Everything here looks fine, so I'll skip this for now. And the next thing we see are the logs. Here, our AI log analyzer helps us quickly accelerate the troubleshooting process by pointing us to what it believes the root cause is. The platform then says we think the possible solution lies with a change to this specific config map. If we look further, we can see the PR by my colleague Guy Mahinen that resulted in the failed deploy, and we can also see the root cause identified by the platform. By providing developers with the tools they need to understand when the problem lies in their domain and it's something that they can actionably fix versus something that's platform related, Commodore drives organizational efficiency, essentially reducing the amount of ticket ping pong and back and forth that happens between developer teams and DevOps engineering teams.